In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend campaign to non-openers in Moosend. This is a simple way to give your email another chance with subscribers who didn't open it the first time, without rebuilding the campaign from scratch. Start by opening your browser and searching for Moosend. Click the official Moosend website from the results. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock in your address bar and the correct domain to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in with your account. After you're in, navigate to the top menu and select Campaigns. Find the campaign you want to work with and open it to edit. You'll be taken into the campaign wizard. From here, move to the Schedule Delivery section. This is where you decide when your message goes out, and it's also where Moosend gives you the option to automatically resend to non-openers. Look for the Resend campaign to non-openers option and switch it on. Turning this on tells Moosend to send a second version of your message only to people who didn't open the first one. Keep in mind that opens are tracked using an invisible image, and some email clients block images by default, so your non-opener count may not be perfect. Still, this is a proven way to reclaim missed attention. Now configure the resend settings. First, choose how long Moosend should wait before sending the follow-up. You can set hours or days. A common window is 24 to 48 hours, which gives your first send enough time to gather opens while keeping your message timely. If your audience is global, think about time zones when picking the delay so your resend lands at a reasonable hour. Next, update the subject line. You can leave it blank to reuse the original, but a fresh subject often boosts opens. Try a different angle. Keep it concise and avoid spammy words. You might add a light sense of urgency or a benefit-focused tweak so it stands out in the inbox. Finally, set the From name for the resend. Use a name and brand your subscribers instantly recognize. Consistency builds trust, but a small variation, like switching between a person's name and your brand name, can sometimes catch the eye. Just keep it authentic and aligned with your usual sending identity. That's it. Once these options are set, Moosend will handle the resend automatically. After the campaign runs, check your reports to see how the resend performed compared to the original, and use those insights to refine your timing and subject lines next time.